Hello everyone, welcome to Anne's Handcraft. In this video I'm going to teach you on how to make a single crochet step by step, from making slip knot, chains, and single crochets. Let's begin. To start crocheting, we need a yarn. I'm using a blue milk cotton yarn. You may use any type and colors. Of course, a crochet hook, any hook will do. This is a plastic hook from Slipknot, with a size of 4 mm. You will also need a scissors. And tape measurement is optional, if you want to measure your square. I'm going to teach you 2 different ways on how to slip knot. First, grab your yarn. Wrap the yarn into your point and middle finger. Insert your finger in the middle. Grab the other yarn and pull through. Put your hook into the hole and adjust the yarn. The second slip stitch is very easy. I always use this trick when I make crochet projects. Wrap your yarn like this. So, basically the yarn is wrapped in your point finger, and you need to hold the end with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook between point and middle finger and yarn over. Again, insert hook and yarn over. Then, pull through loop. Adjust the yarn. Let's proceed on making our chains. Insert hook between point and middle finger. Yarn over and pull through loop. Now, we have our first chain. Yarn over and pull through loop. Yarn over and pull through loop. Repeat this process and chain your desired length. I am going to make 14 chains and want a total of 15 chains. I already made 5 chains, so I need to make 10 more chains. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. This is what 15 chains looks like. Skip the first chain. We are going to insert our hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. You should have 2 loops in your hook. Again, yarn over and pull through all 2 loops. We finally made our first single crochet. Insert yarn in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Insert hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Keep repeating this process until the end of your chain. Insert hook in the last chain. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is how single crochet first row looks like. Let's count our stitches from our first single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. I have a total of 14 single crochets. For us to make our second row of single crochet, we are going to make a turning chain. Yarn over, pull through loop, and turn. This is how the back looks like. Insert hook in the last stitch of single crochet from row 1. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through to loops. Insert hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, and pull through to loops. Insert hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, and pull through to loops. Repeat until the end of the row. Insert hook in the last stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through to loops. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in every stitch. Continue working several rows. Grab your tape measurement and measure the length of its sides. I'm going to show you 15 rows of single crochet. Cutting the end is very simple. Yarn over and pull through. More. Grab your scissors and cut the yarn.